shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for September 17th, 2020. It's Thursday. Tomorrow is quadruple witching, but I think we can all agree that it's been a witchy week. The market, the futures are down pretty big today. We had some massive dark pool prints that have been coming in on Facebook and Apple, and it looks like they've been selling it. So let's go over those levels for you to trade it today. So let's start with the SPY. We're going to be bullish only above 336.50, and these are gap fill retracement trades. Yep, strictly for day trading. That they might, if they can muster the energy, push it up to fill the gap before dropping it again. Looks like they're unable to do that right now. So we're bearish below 335. We just went below that level on the SPY. Let me just elongate this chart. So we've already tested the 50 simple moving average once on September 11th. So the second time we go there is probably going to be less sellers there. Less buyers, excuse me. Less buyers there. Yeah, this is really, this area is the ice. Yeah, according to Wyckoff. It is the area where there have been buyers over the past week or so. However, if they disappear, we will get a large markdown right there. So let's go to the IWM. IWM has an upthrust yesterday, high volume upthrust, by the way, through a major level. 155 on higher volume. Today would be a test day to see if it, can muster the energy to climb back up on lower volume and fail and come down. That is very bearish if that happens. Remember, quadruple witching. Anything can happen this week. Bear below 152.50 and bullish above 153.50. Let's head on over to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 33.50 for a retracement trade only, and then bearish below 33.34. We are testing that right now. The Qs. All right, the Qs. We're going to be bullish only above 273.50 for a gap retracement, and we're going to be bearish below 272, which we've already gone below, by the way. I mapped this out early while most of you are probably sleeping, but I know there are a couple traders out there that are trading pre-market. So we have a lot of targets. Don't worry. We're going all the way down to S3, 264.19. Let's head on over to the Nasdaq futures. Nasdaq futures, we're going to be bullish only above 11,225 for a retracement to person's pivot. Bear below 11,075. We've already gone below that, but we have a lot more targets to be hit on the downside. Don't worry about that all the way going down. Let's go to the crude oil. This is October, by the way. Yeah, oil seems to be the only thing lifting yesterday, right? Today holding up pretty well. We could tag this 41 level here on those oil futures. The 50 simple moving average is my last target on the upside. Bullish above 40.37. And if we do start to retrace, bearish below 39.80 for those oil futures. Let's head on over to the gold market. Select those gold futures. And we are going to be bullish above 19.55. And we're going to be bearish below 1940 for gold. All right, let's head on over to Apple. We've had our eyes on this pretty much all week long. We've been a little bit obsessed with Apple. And we've had massive prints, a lot. When Apple moves, when they're buying, we get a whole slew of massive prints. And when they're selling, we get another slew of massive prints. So 110. Was that key level. If you have the dark pool insights, I showed you that huge buyer there. That's going to be really key today. if we can hold the 110. It's trying to hang on for its life right there. It's the 50 simple moving average. It's a major level. And there was a very large buyer there. Doesn't look like he is there anymore because we've gone below it here. He may come back and want to buy more. So that's going to be really, really key today. That's why I'm bearish below 110. Bullish above 112 for a retracement trade back to person's pivots. Yeah, watch that 110. Great eye training, by the way. Oh, these are late prints at 112 that just came through. You see, let me just freeze it up. There we go. See this? So sneaky. FADF 112.13. Yeah, by the way, we sold at 112.13. Okay, let me head on over to American Airlines. I know we just had news that came out on that. There's a meeting going on with the airlines. We're just going to trade it. Bullish above 13.75, bearish below 13.50 for AAL. Nikola. Head on over to Nikola. That's been a great trading stock. Bullish above 33.75 and bear below 32 today. Yeah, this is much easier trade is to the downside. We had a good retracement trade back up to resistance, right? But you can see there's some traffic above us. Much better on the downside this trade. Let's head on over to gold GLD. All right, we're going to be bullish above 184.50. We recently had a big print on GLD. Hold on, let me just search that up. Have to put that in. I did put it on the app. I think it was 183.85. Yep, 183.85. So it's good. We'll be bullish above that at 184.50 and bearish below 182. Let's head on over to Carnival. Doesn't seem to be having a good morning today. We're going to be bullish above 1640. Complicated trade to the upside. I'd rather not take that one. Bearish below 1580 looks like a much easier trade. Let's go to NEO. Yeah, so NEO did an upthrust, and we had a sell print up at the top here. I posted that out. I also shared that with you in the training pit yesterday. Yep. So, yeah, there's your bearish candle right there. And again, you know, that's an upthrust through the 20 level. High volume. Yesterday was the test day. All right, on lower volume. They tried to push it up on lower volume, and that's bearish, and we've come down. Bullish above 1902 and bearish below 1840, and we've just gone below that level. Facebook, holy moly prints yesterday. Oh my goodness. Yep, massive. Biggest prints we've seen in a while on Facebook. 271.50, like 4 of them, or adding up to like 3.2 million. I could be off by a couple 100,000, but who cares? 271.50. We are way below that. That is bearish. Now, if we climb above that level and close strong, I will put my bull hat on. But right now, it's bearish below the prints. We are going to be bullish above 263 for a retracement trade today, just for a day trade to person's pivots. Bearish below 259. We've just gone below that. Yeah, watch that 50 simple moving average. Let's see if they try to hammer that or not today. All right, gold, GOLD, Barrick Gold. Took a little hit yesterday on a rumor that they were going to buy Freeport. Well, that pushed our options up on FCX, so that was a great trade in the Java pit. Yeah, still holding up. But we're going to trade gold today, bullish above 30 and bear below 29.50. Definitely unusual volume pre-market. It doesn't normally have it, so I kind of feel like it's going to move today. Let's go to Microsoft. Microsoft had a bearish engulfing candle yesterday on high volume. Volume is everything. Yep, definitely sold yesterday. Today will be bullish above 205 for a retracement to person's pivot and possibly the 8 EMA. Bearish, though, below 201.50. We just went below there. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for September 17th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.